What's up everyone and welcome to a brand new video. Before we start this video, if you're watching my video for the first time, smashing that red subscribe button below would be massively appreciated. Samsung Galaxy S20 is the most luxurious and exciting smartphone the company ever had, but we already think of what Samsung will be planning up with the Galaxy S30 series. Now that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 has been launched, we know Samsung's concept of what a premium phone is, and that gives us a glimpse of what is in the plan for the Galaxy S30, which we wouldn't expect until early 2021. The Samsung Galaxy S30 smartphones are likely to be some of 2021's most exciting phones, so hype is already increasing and we are already getting some early news about the Galaxy S30. Samsung always launches its latest Galaxy S models in the beginning of the year and has announced them in February in recent years. Later the orders start in March, so it's very likely that Samsung might do the same for the Galaxy S30 series. We are not sure about the specific release date of Galaxy S30, but it's possible that Samsung might be planning to launch a phone in early 2021. Here are the release dates for the past few Galaxy S handsets for some reference. Samsung Galaxy S8 launched on April 21, 2017, Galaxy S9 launched on March 16, 2018, Galaxy S10 on March 8, 2019, and Galaxy S20 on March 6, 2020. For how much the Samsung Galaxy S30 series would cost? The phones are expected to be at least as costly as the Samsung Galaxy S20 series, with the Samsung Galaxy S30 Plus and Samsung Galaxy S30 Ultra expected to cost much more. The base variant will cost at least $999 or £899. Before the announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S20, we thought it would be named as Galaxy S11, and it was pointed as different names by numerous leaks. No one knows what the next Galaxy would be named. The Galaxy S30 is actually the Galaxy S21, according to a top leaker. Right now, this is difficult to confirm. Most people think of Galaxy S30, but the leaker who said it's going to be the S21 has a strong track record, which is enough to believe on what he said. As the launch of the phone gets closer, we can expect more big leakers to tell the actual name of the device. There is not too many information revealed about Samsung Galaxy S30, but one thing we have heard is a statement that the phone may have an in-screen camera, but first Samsung will test this feature before implementing on their smartphone. So it seems like S30 will not have this feature, but we have to wait a bit to get more information on in-screen camera topic. We have also heard that Samsung is working on a 150MP sensor that can merge 9 pixels in one. However, we will take this argument with a pinch of salt for S30 rumors, because it's really early. The source that revealed the information regarding the Samsung's 150MP camera doesn't have a proven record, and even though if Samsung is working on that camera, it doesn't mean that we will see this camera in the Galaxy S30 series. The claim of the 150MP primary snapper has suddenly appeared, with another source adding that it could be followed by a 64MP telephoto sensor, 16MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 12MP macro sensor, plus a depth sensor, having total of 5 sensors. And if this is valid, it's far more likely that the Samsung Galaxy S30 Ultra will have these camera specifications. We have heard more recently that the Samsung Galaxy S30 Ultra will have a 108MP camera, just like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, but this sensor will be an upgraded version used on the Samsung Galaxy S20. Still, it's not sure whether the claims are true or not. We have also heard that Samsung Galaxy S30 is ditching the time of flight TOF sensor that appeared in Samsung Galaxy S20. There is also a Samsung patent outlining the concept of a smartphone with 6 rear camera sensors. Every lens will be separately tiltable so that it could focus in various directions. This will have a range of potential uses, from applying a bokeh effect to panoramas to actually enhancing low light shots and HDR. Nevertheless, the patent was not clearly related to the Galaxy S30, so we are not sure about this feature. If Samsung follows the past method of chipsets, it will use 2 separate chipsets to power the Galaxy S30. The new Snapdragon 8 series system on chip for phones launched in the US, and one of the Exynos powered for devices sold in all over the world except US. For the Snapdragon, the latest chip is supposed to be Snapdragon 875. The early source from 91 Mobiles suggests that this will be a 5nm chip as compared to a 7nm Snapdragon 865. There will also be a 5G modem used in the chipset. Samsung's next processor is supposed to be called either Exynos 1000 or Exynos 992, and it will be another 5nm chipset. Leaked benchmarks claim strong improvements, with the new Exynos chipset offering a 3x boost over the Snapdragon 865. Early rumors suggest that the S30 might be in for a small battery power increase relative to the S20 models, but we will have to wait a little bit to see how this turns into a better battery life overall. Samsung has been working on a complete full screen handset concept for a long time, and the Samsung Galaxy S30 might make the vision a reality. Samsung Display started talking about the idea of cutting punch holes on front of its phones in March 2019. The theory is that the camera hole will be transparent while not impacting the camera's work in any way. Samsung is also planning a technology that will use the display as a speaker. However, it's not clear if Samsung will be able to bring this sort of design in the Galaxy S30 in time. Samsung is also working with displays that could be rounded across all four sides that might come to the Galaxy S30 series. The device will also have a metal frame, where the curved glass will make the display more unique. This is based on the patent that Let's Go Digital has discovered. That's all for now. Share your thoughts about the Galaxy S30 in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Hamza. This is Tech Filter, and I'll catch you in the next one.